Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. California on Thursday moved to require all new vehicle sold in the state by 2035 to be either electric or plug-in electric hybrids, a landmark move that could speed the end of gasoline-powered vehicles. California Governor Gavin Newsom first announced the plan to phase out vehicles that run only on gasoline by 2035 in September 2020. The California Air Research Board voted on Thursday to approve the new rules, which set yearly rising zero-emission vehicle rules starting in 2026. But the Biden administration must still approve the new requirement before the plan can take effect. California has moved faster than the federal government, and the other states is in setting strict standards for vehicle emissions. More than a dozen other states have adopted California's earlier zero-emission requirements. This is a historic moment for California, for our partner states, and for the world as we set forth a path toward a zero-emission future, said CARB Chair Ian Randolph. California officials said their rules by 2037 will cut 25% smog causing pollution from light-duty vehicles. The rule mandated that 35% of the new cars should be plug-in hybrid electric. If so, or hydrogen fuel by cell by 2026, that proportion will rise to 68% by 2030 and 100% by 2035. By 2030, there will be 2.9 million fewer new gas-powered vehicles sold, widening to 9.5 million fewer conventional vehicles by 2035, CARB said. Steph Douglas, a vice president at the Alliance for Automotive Innovation, a trade association representing General Motors Co-Volkswagen AG, Toyota Motor Corp, and other automakers said on Thursday the CARB rules are the most sweeping and transformative regulations in the history of the automobile. Electric car, electric car maker Tesla inch called for a faster road to all electric cells, but the auto regulation will be extremely challenging even in California and particularly in the early years. California is ahead of federal vehicle emissions rules, which currently extend only to 2026 and do not set yearly requirements for zero-emission models. CARB's new regulation would allow automakers to sell up to 20% PHEVs by 2035. That may boost Toyota, which is investing heavily in plug-ins, and which agreed earlier this week to recognize California's authority to set vehicle rules. Tesla, which produced only electric vehicles, said in July 26, failing to curb that the board should require 100% zero-emission vehicles by 2030 and increase the stringency of the standard by reducing the use of pollution perhaps is in annual compliance. It also shows change on battery and charging cord requirements. Tesla Senior Counsel Joseph Mendelsohn said on Thursday the CARB proposal is both achievable and paves the way for California to lead in electrifying the light-duty sector. CARB's proposal sets tough new requirements for plug-in hybrids, which currently must have at least 10 miles all-electric range and will eventually need a minimum 50-mile all-electric range level to qualify. CARB projects that out of about 2 million vehicles sold in California in 2035 will be plug-in hybrid. The American Fuel and Petrochemical Manufacturers Trade Association on Thursday urged President Joe Biden and the Environmental Protection Agency to reject California's request for a Clean Air Act waiver to proceed with this unlawful ban. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.